Compound interest is normally applied in investments. It is calculated based on the principal amount, which changes every year because interest is added to the latest balance. At the end of each interest period, the interest earned is added to the principal, and this combined amount will earn more interest in the next period. This means the principal keeps increasing from time to time. So let's proceed with the formula. As you can see on the slide, this is the formula that we use to find future value, compound interest, and present value.
Question 1. Mr. Razif invested 35,000 ringgit in platform A and 15,000 ringgit in platform B for a duration of 10 years and 8 years respectively. Platform A offered an interest rate of 4.23% compounded annually, and platform B offered 2.03% compounded quarterly. Question A. Calculate the total amount accumulated from both investments. For this question, we use future value formula. First, we need to analyze this question. After that, we take out all of the information and just put it into the formula. After we got both future value, we just plus it, and then we got the total amount accumulated from the both investment. Question B. After 16 months, the interest rate changed to 3.25% compounded quarterly for platform A and 2.1% compounded biannually for platform B. For first Roman question, find the total amount accumulated from both investment at the end of the investment period. So for this question, we use the same formula, which is future value formula. And then we need to calculate it twice. The first one is for in 60 months. The second one is for the after 60 months. And then after we got both future value, we just plus it, and we got the total amount accumulated from both investment at the end of the investment period. The second Roman question, find the total interest earned from both banks. In this question, we use interest earned formula. First, we need to plus both of the principal, and then we take the total amount from the first Roman question, and then we put both of it into the formula. After that, we got the interest earned from both banks.
Annuity. So what is annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal intervals at time. For example, shop rental, insurance policy, premiums, annual dividends received, and installments payments. As for annuity, as you can see on the slide, this is the formula that we use to find future value, accumulated value of annuity, and interest earned.
Question 2. 18 months ago, Jeremy began depositing Rm200 at the end of each month into Bank Umay, which pay 5.4% interest compounded monthly. Today, just after making his last deposit, he plans to withdraw all the money to contribute toward the 10% down payment on a new car costing Rm8,500 ringgit.
2a. Calculate the total amount he can withdraw from Bank Umay. So for this question, we need to analyze what the question 1 first, and then from the previous question that we had just read, we put the data that we got into the formula, which is future value formula, and then we got answer, which is Rm3,741 ringgit and 6 cents. Question 2b. Determine the amount of interest earned from his investment in Bank Umay. So for this question, we use interest earned formula. And then from the previous answer, we put it in our formula, and then the data that we got in the question previous that I have read before, and then the answer is Rm141 ringgit and 6 cents.
Jeremy planned to take a loan from a finance company to finance the remaining 90% of the car price. The finance company charged interest at 3.4% compound monthly, and the loan is to be repaid over a 9-year period. Find the amount of the monthly payment. We take the loan amount 76,500 ringgit, multiply it by the monthly interest rate formula, and after applying the compound interest over 129 months, we get a monthly payment of 823 ringgit 22 cents. Question C2. Calculate the amount of interest charged for this car loan. I use interest earned formula. I equal 108 ringgit bracket 823 ringgit 22 cents minus 76,500 ringgit, and the answer is 12,407 ringgit 76 cents.
Question C3. If Jeremy fails to make the first 4 monthly payments, calculate how much he should pay on the 5th payments to settle all the outstanding arrears. Hence, determine the interest charged on the late payment. First, I use the Annuity formula. S equal R multiplied by the bracket of 1 plus K over M power n minus 1 all divided by K over M. Next, I identify the values. R equal 823 ringgit 22 cents, K equals 3.4%, M equal 12, and N equal 5. Then I substitute the value into the formula. S equals 823 ringgit 22 cents multiplied by the bracket of 1 plus 3.4% over 12 power M minus 1 all divided by 3.4% over 12. After calculating the expression, S equal 4,139 ringgit 49 cents. Then I find the total payment made 823 ringgit 22 cents times 5 equals 4,160 ringgit 10 cents. Finally, I get the difference 4,139 ringgit 49 cents minus 4,116 ringgit 10 cents equals 23 ringgit 39 cents. Question C4. Immediately after making payment for 5 years, Jeremy wishes to settle the loan in full. Determine the amount that he needs to pay. I use the present value annuity formula. S equal R multiplied by the bracket of 1 minus 1 plus K over M power negative N divided by K over M. Then I substitute the value S equal 823 ringgit 22 cents multiplied by the bracket of 1 minus bracket 1 plus 3.4% over 12 bracket power negative 4 all divided by 3.4% over 12. After calculating, the total is S equal 3,269 ringgit 69 cents.